Digital signage will drive the factory of the future, and Populo provides the digital signage platform you need to make that future a reality. Driven by integrations with your business applications, screens on your production floor can keep your team informed and aligned with real-time metrics designed to reduce span time, improve productivity, and drive continuous improvement. And when it comes to reducing recordable incidents and enhancing workplace safety, digital signage is critical, ensuring your production floor workers keep safety top of mind. Apart from applications focused on improving productivity and decreasing recordable incidents, you can use digital signage to provide training and upskilling opportunities and ensure your people know about upcoming events, reducing churn and keeping your workers engaged. You need to keep your production floor workers productive, safe, and informed. With Populo, you can.